Hello cookie lovers! This video will show you how to correct the size and shape of your dry icing templates. In the case you messed up the size and flooded the wrong size of the icing template, or just don't have another one that fit your cookies, take a scissors and gently cut off the edge of the dry icing template. Try on the cookie. If your icing template is still bigger than your cookie, then repeat it as many times as you need. In this way, you can not only make your template smaller, but correct the shape.